Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, this is the part 2nd of April 2020. So now let's start. First we will cover government schemes. The beneficiaries of which scheme can avail free testing in private labs in impaneled hospitals for COVID-19 in India. So beneficiaries of Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana can avail free testing of COVID. Name the Indian state which provides free food to citizens via Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen. So it is Jharkhand. Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen. Don't confuse it with West Bengal. Mukhyamantri Didi Kitchen. It is Jharkhand. What is the revised loss coverage for micro loan defaults under Credit Guarantee Fund for micro unit? So it is 75%. Must remember, it is important one. So according to Credit Guarantee Fund for micro unit, as notified by the Ministry of Finance, the coverage of lender loss in case of loan default is increased to 75%. So must remember, loss coverage for micro loan default is now 75%. What is the amount of fund released to states under MGNREGS, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Development Employment Guarantee Scheme? So it is 7300 crore, 7300 crores. You must remember, in MGNREGS 7300 crore. Name the Indian state which has launched Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodhya Kalyan Yojana for Anganwadi workers. So CM COVID-19 Yodhya Kalyan Yojana is of Madhya Pradesh. Must remember, CM COVID-19 Yodhya Kalyan Yojana, Madhya Pradesh. Which state government approved Sujlam Suflam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan? It is a water conservation project, so it is of Gujarat. Sujlam Suflam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan is of Gujarat. Name the scheme which was launched by PM Modi on occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day on April 24. So you must remember that Panchayati Raj Day was on April 24. Also there was an scheme launched, that was Swamitva. Name the state which has launched Dhanvantri scheme. So Dhanvantri scheme is launched by Assam. Dhanvantri scheme launched by Assam. Which Indian state CM relaunched the zero interest loan scheme for women self-help groups? So you must remember that zero interest loan scheme for women self-help group launched by Andhra Pradesh. Name the state which has launched Jeevan Shakti Yojana to enable women in urban areas to earn by making masks at home. So just remember this only, Jeevan Shakti Yojana launched by Madhya Pradesh. Jeevan Shakti Yojana, Madhya Pradesh. Name the state which has launched Ambare Anganwadi to help children during lockdown. So Ambare Anganwadi is launched by Gujarat. Must remember, Ambare Anganwadi is of Gujarat. Name the state which has launched free reimbursement scheme for students, namely Jagannath Vidya Divana. So Jagannath Vidya Divana is of Andhra Pradesh. Must remember, Jagannath Vidya Divana is of Andhra Pradesh. Jeevan Amrit Yojana. So Jeevan Amrit Yojana or scheme is of Madhya Pradesh to boost the immune system of pupil. It's not important that scheme किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड है, इम्पोर्टेंट इज़ दैट कि उस स्कीम का नाम जो है वो किस स्टेट से रिलेटेड है. सो जीवन अमृत योजना इज ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश. मस्ट रिमेंबर इट. नाउ बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस. What is the enhanced foreign portfolio investment FPI limit in corporate bond as per RBI. So it's important one. FPI limit in corporate bond now is 15%. 15% must remember. Which private sector bank has launched banking services in WhatsApp? So it is ICICI Bank, and you should remember that it was of March 2020. Banking services in WhatsApp is of ICICI Bank. With which general insurance company in partnership with Bharat Pay launched COVID-19 protection insurance cover for shopkeeper? So you just remember that ICICI Lombard plus Bharat Pay launched COVID-19 protection insurance cover. ICICI Lombard plus Bharat Pay COVID-19 protection insurance cover. What is the loan granted by ADB to Awas Financiers to improve women access to housing in India? So ADB has given 60 million to Awas Financiers in India. So must remember ADB 60 million to Awas Financiers. What is the revised PPF interest rate for first quarter of fiscal 21? It was lowest since 1977, so it is 7.1%. 7.1% PPF. What is the increased WMA, wage and means advances limit for central government? So it is 1.2 lakh crore. So you should remember that WMA increased limit is now 1.2 lakh crore. What is the revised period limit before expiry of tenure to submit reappointment of MD and CEO in private and public sector bank as per RBI? Earlier it was 4 months, now it is 6 months. Revised period limit to submit reappointment of MD and CEO in private and public sector banks. What is the amount that was offered by World Bank to India for proposed COVID-19 emergency response and preparedness project? So World Bank has given 1 billion to India for COVID-19 emergency response. Must remember this. Name the person who had the advisory committee which recommended increasing WMA limit by 30% from current limit for all the states. So you should remember that this committee was headed by Sudhir Srivastav. So just remember that WMA limit increasing committee by 30%. So it is Sudhir Srivastav committee for WMA. Corona Care is the India's first hospitalization insurance provided by which digital payment company with Bajaj Allianz? So Corona Care is provided by PhonePe. So just remember Corona Care PhonePe. Name the public sector bank which has listed green bond worth 100 million in India INX Global Securities Market Green Platform. So just remember that it is SBI. SBI has listed green bond worth 100 million in India INX. Under which health insurance product ADI has made coverage of hospitalization treatment cost of COVID mandatory? So under Arogya Sanjeevani, ADI has made coverage of hospitalization treatment cost of COVID mandatory. Name the banks which was nominated by central government for collecting donation of PM Cares Fund in addition to SBI. So along with SBI, it is Indian Overseas Bank and Housing Development Finance Corporation. So you must remember this. Both IOB and HDFC along with SBI for PM Care Fund. RBI has relaxed norms to increase the number of days that a state can continue to overdraft to how many days. So RBI has increased the days limit from 14 days to 21 days for a state to continue overdraft. So just remember this only. Name the payment bank which has joined with Bharti AXA General Insurance and launched Bharti AXA Group Health Assure Policy and Group Hospital Cash Insurance Plan. So just remember Airtel Payment Bank with Bharti AXA launched Bharti AXA Group Health Assure Policy. Airtel Payment Bank plus Bharti AXA General Insurance launched Bharti AXA Group Health Assure Policy. Name the organization which has confirmed force majeure was not applicable in case of COVID-19. So it is Life Insurance Council of India. Just remember this. With which company Punjab National Bank Housing Finance agreement to raise 75 million fund. So it is Japan International Cooperation Agency, that is JICA. So just remember PNB Housing Finance agreement with JICA to raise 75 million fund. Name the public sector bank which has initiated for scheme for self-help group, FPO and farming community to tackle impact of COVID-19. So it is Bank of Baroda, in which I got selected. So must remember that Bank of Baroda has initiated 4 schemes for self-help group, FPO and farming community to tackle impact of COVID. SIDBI announced to provide emergency working capital of up to how much for small and medium enterprises. So you must remember SIDBI announced to provide working capital up to 1 crore for SMEs. SIDBI 1 crore for SMEs, just remember. Find the e-commerce company which tie up with ICICI Lombard and Go Digital Insurance to launch health insurance policies. So it is Flipkart. Flipkart ties up with ICICI Lombard and Go Digital Insurance to launch health insurance policy. Flipkart plus ICICI Lombard plus Go Digital Insurance for health insurance. Name the small finance bank which launched digital banking platform named DigiGen. So it is Jana Small Finance Bank. So it is Jana Small Finance Bank launched DigiGen. What is the ADB assured support package to India to fight COVID-19? So ADB President Masatsugu Asakawa has assured 2.2 billion to India to fight COVID-19. So just remember ADB 2.2 billion to India to fight COVID-19. Name the private sector bank which has extended the bank assurance with Max Life Insurance for 5 more years and dedicated fiscal year 21 as year of the customer. So you should remember both points. It is Yes Bank with Max Life Insurance for 5 more years and dedicated 21 fiscal year as year of the customer. So it's important. What will be the penalty in basis point on banks if they fail to invest TLTRO funds in 30 working days and as announced by RBI? So it is penalty of 200 basis point. And what is TLTRO? Must remember target long term repo operation. It is quite important. Target long term repo operation TLTRO. What is the interest rate in RBI new series of sovereign gold bond scheme, namely sovereign gold bond 2021? Okay, so it is 2.50. So 2.5% it is for interest rate for sovereign gold bond scheme. Must remember. With which public sector bank government telecom operator BSNL has partnered to launch Bharat InstaPay UPI based platform? So must remember that BSNL with SBI launched Bharat InstaPay. BSNL with SBI launched Bharat InstaPay. Name the bank which has launched safety grid campaign for social distancing. So it is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank launched safety grid campaign for social distancing. What is the decline in capital utilization in third quarter of 20 as per quarterly order books, inventories and capacity utilization survey released by RBI? So you must remember that it is 68.6% decline in capital utilization according to RBI. Just remember this only. Name the first insurance company in India which has announced additional benefits for its policyholder and agents to support them during COVID-19 pandemic. So Tata AIA Life Insurance become first insurance company in India which has announced additional benefits for its policy holder during COVID pandemic. Just remember this only, that Tata AIA announced additional benefit for policy holder during COVID pandemic. Here are some rate. So repo is 4.4, reverse repo 3.75, MSF bank rate is 4.65. Just remember this. What is the amount that will be provided to refinance NABARD, SIDBI and NHB? So it is 50,000 crore. Total amount is 50,000 crore and further it is divided 25,000 crore for NABARD, 15,000 crore for SIDBI, 10,000 crore for NHB. Must remember this. This is very important. One question will come for sure. Equitas Small Finance Bank launched Selfie Fixed Deposit and Selfie Saving Account. So just remember, question can be asked in both the ways, that which small bank has launched Selfie Fixed Deposit and Selfie Saving Account. So it is Equitas Small Finance Bank. And where is the headquarter of Equitas Small Finance Bank? So it is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. What is the amount for which RBI announced to conduct auction for targeted long-term repo operation? So it is 50,000 crore. 50,000 crore by RBI to conduct auction for targeted long-term repo operation, TLTRO. Name the private bank which has launched voice assistance based banking services on its AI chatbot iPal with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So it is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank has launched voice assistant based banking services on its AI chatbot iPal. What is the reduced limit in government securities through foreign portfolio investment for fiscal 21 as per RBI? So it is 2.34 lakh crore. Just remember this only, that now 2.34 lakh crore. This is the reduced limit in government securities through FPI. What is the revised WMA for central government for first half of fiscal 21? It is 2 lakh crore. Don't confuse it with above question of WMA. There was the committee and there was other thing also, and it is WMA for central government. So it is 2 lakh crore. RBI has cancelled the license to conduct banking business of which urban cooperative bank based on Goa? So it is Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank. Just remember that Mapusa Urban Cooperative Bank is in Goa. Which payment bank of India has collaborated with MasterCard to issue virtual and physical debit card? So it is Paytm Payment Bank with MasterCard to issue virtual and physical debit card. Paytm Payment Bank with MasterCard to issue virtual and physical debit card. RBI has instructed its regulated entities to carry out money laundering and terrorist financing risk assessment exercise periodically, and added a new section 5A in master direction on KYC. So prevention of money laundering rule was enacted in which year? So money laundering rule prevention was enacted in 2005. Just remember this, prevention of money laundering rules in 2005. Which Indian public sector bank has launched working capital demand loan for agriculture sector? So it is Indian Overseas Bank. Indian Overseas Bank has launched working capital demand loan for agriculture sector. Now next question. To which Indian state World Bank approved 585 crore for roads construction etc. So it is Himachal Pradesh. So must remember that World Bank has given 585 crore to Himachal Pradesh. Whenever the मेंस एग्ज़ाम will come, तो मैं उससे 5 दिन पहले आपके लिए पूरी लॉन्स की जितनी भी एक वीडियो फॉर्मेट में लास्ट 5-6 मंथ की लेके आऊँगा, तब तक इसे याद रखिए. वर्ल्ड बैंक 585 करोड़ फॉर हिमाचल फॉर रोड एट्सेट्रा. Which insurance company partnered with smart health company Go QII to launch preventive healthcare platform named Bajik Go QII? So it is Bajaj Allianz. Just remember Bajaj Allianz. So in next question, SIDBI has announced some special liquidity scheme to support MSME during lockdown. So they are just asking headquarter and it is in Lucknow, SIDBI. Name the first non-banking company which get RBI note to enter into co-branding arrangement for prepaid instrument. Must remember it is Transcorp International Limited. It has now got RBI note to enter into co-branding arrangement for prepaid instruments. What is the amount for which RBI has opened special liquidity for mutual funds? So it is 50,000 crore. So you must remember that RBI has opened special liquidity facility for mutual fund and the amount is 50,000 crore. Indian Overseas Bank has launched a special borrowing for self-help groups to help them during COVID-19 crisis. So where is the headquarter of Indian Overseas Bank? Just remember that it is headquartered in Chennai. It is the growth rate and India rating according to them fiscal year 21 it is 1.9. Next is not important. Next is also not important. Just remember that top of exporting sector for first time during April se January period. So it is chemical and petrochemical industry. That's it. What is the grant that was approved to India as loan by ADB to combat COVID-19? So it is 1.5 billion. Just remember, don't confuse it with above ADB loan for COVID-19 that was assured by ADB president 2 billion something, but this amount was approved by ADB as loan, so it is 1.5 billion. The ADB has approved to provide 346 US dollar for which state to provide better power connection in rural areas. So ADB has given 346 million dollars for Maharashtra for power connection in rural areas. Just remember this. Now economy and business. It's not so important. S&P according to S&P 3.5. Next is not important. What will be the shrink in global growth for year 2020 as per UN Department of Economic and Social Affairs? So it is 1%. Just remember it. It's not so important. As per Fitch, India's fiscal deficit will be what percentage of its GDP for 2020? So as per Fitch, fiscal deficit will be 6.2%. As per Asian Development Outlook by Asian Development Bank, what is India's growth? So it is 4% for fiscal 21. I'll make a separate video when the exam will come, don't worry. So It's not quite important because it gets revised again and again. What will be the consumer price index based inflation of India in first quarter of fiscal 21 as per RBI monetary policy report? So it is 4.8%. It's not so important, just remember this. What is fiscal deficit in terms of percent of GDP of India as per Government of India? So it is 5.07%. It changes again and again, so I will make a separate video when the exam will come. As per South Asia Economic Focus, the cursed blessing of public sector banks report. So just remember that this report was published by World Bank. South Asia Economic Focus, the cursed blessing of public banks report. It is by World Bank. Just remember this only. In next question, just remember that Nomura is brokerage agency of which country? So it is of Japan. What is the bank growth rate of India for fiscal year 20 as per RBI data? So it is quite important. Bank growth rate of India is 6.14%. Next is not important. Just remember that World Economic Outlook report is of IMF. It's important. World Economic Outlook report is of IMF. Name the term which is used by central bank under which funds are transferred from the central bank to the state and union government, which empowers the public with money to buy things. So it is helicopter money. So this term helicopter money has been coined by American economist Milton Friedman in his famous paper The Optimum Quantity of Money. Helicopter money is an unconventional method used by central bank under which the funds are transferred from central bank to the state and union government, which empowers the public with money to buy things. So just remember this only. Next is not important. Next is also not important. Just remember that EcoRap is the research wing of which Indian public sector bank. So it is SBI EcoRap. Just remember this only. Next is not important. Another one is also GDP forecast. Again GDP forecast. In next question, just remember that Global Economic Outlook is report of which organization? So it is of Fitch Rating. Just remember this only, because I will make a separate video on GDP when the exam will come. So Global Economic Outlook is of Fitch Rating. Name the organization in its report titled COVID-19 Crisis Through a Migration Lens. So just remember this only, that this report COVID-19 Crisis Through a Migration Lens is the report of which organization? So it is of World Bank. COVID-19 Crisis Through a Migration Lens, World Bank. Which Indian IT company has partnered with IBM to set up Innovation Center? So Tech Mahindra with IBM to set up Innovation Center. Tech Mahindra plus IBM Innovation Centers. NIIT, that is National Institute of Information Technology, it is headquartered where? Just remember this only, it is headquartered in Gurugram. Global Macro Outlook Report is the report of which organization? Just remember it is of Moody. Global Macro Outlook Report is of Moody. Next is again GDP. I'll make separate video. With which healthcare startup Rajasthan government has partnered to tackle COVID-19 using integrated solution Ayu and Sehat Sati app. So it is MedCots. So just remember Rajasthan partnered with MedCots and launched Ayu and Sehat Sati app. Name the telecom company which has tied up with Paytm for Recharge Sati. So must remember that it is Vodafone Idea. It is merged entity now. Vodafone Idea with Paytm for Recharge Sati. Now appointments and resignation will go fast. Lakshmi Narayan appointed as MD of which home finance company? So it is Sundaram Home Finance. Lakshmi Narayanan. Sundaram Home Finance. Parveen Jadhav resigned from post of MD and CEO. So he is of Paytm Money. Parveen Jadhav. Government has extended tenure of NCLT acting president for 3 months. So NCLT, that is National Company Law Tribunal, and its president is BSV Prakash Kumar. BSV Prakash Kumar NCLT. Madhabi Puri 6-month extension of service as whole time member of which organization? So it is SEBI. Madhabi Puri. SEBI. Name the person who has been appointed as chairman of NASCOM. So it is new chairman and it is UB Parveen Rao. UB Parveen Rao is of NASCOM. Name the Indian women cricketer appointed as brand ambassador for PepsiCo. So it is Sefali Verma. Very talented cricketer Sefali Verma, 16-year-old, is now brand ambassador of PepsiCo. Name the person who has been appointed as MD CEO of Bharti AXA Life Insurance. So it is Parag Raja. MD CEO of Bharti AXA, Parag Raja. MD and CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance. First woman MD CEO of the company. So it is Anamika Roy. Must remember, it's important. IFCO Tokyo General Insurance, Anamika Roy. First woman MD CEO. Appointment Committee of Cabinet has approved extension of service for chairman of Mumbai-based Bank Board Bureau. So who is the present Bank Board Bureau chairman? He is Mr. Bhanu Pratap Sharma. Just remember Bank Board Bureau Bhanu Pratap Sharma BB. RBI has approved reappointment of Sanjay Agarwal as MD CEO of AU Small Finance Bank. So it is headquartered in Jaipur. Just remember this only. AU Small Finance Bank is of Jaipur. Who is the face of RBI Twitter campaign to adopt digital mode of payment? So it is Amitabh Bachchan. RBI Twitter campaign face is Amitabh Bachchan. Name the person who has been reappointed as MD CEO of Karnataka Bank. So it is Mahabaleshwara MS. Karnataka Bank, Mahabaleshwara MS. Name the Indian former RBI governor who has been part of IMF 12-member external advisory group. So it is Mr. Raghuram Rajan. Raghuram Rajan, part of IMF 12-member external advisory group. Name the actress who has been appointed as brand ambassador of JBL campaign title Live It Real, Live It Raw. So it is Sara Ali Khan, brand ambassador of JBL campaign. J. Pakrisamy, the MD of Andhra Bank, appointed as OSD in Union Bank of India. Mrityunjay Mohapatra, CEO of Syndicate Bank, has been appointed as OSD, that is Officer on Special Duty in which bank? So Mrityunjay Mohapatra is now Officer on Special Duty of Canara Bank, and J. Pakrisamy, who is of Andhra Bank MD, is now Officer on Special Duty in Union Bank of India. Name the cricketer who has been appointed as brand ambassador of Poker Stars. So it is MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni, ambassador of Poker Stars. Thomas Agen resigned from post of president of International Weightlifting Federation. So it's not important, but important is where is the headquarter of International Weightlifting Federation. It is in Budapest, Hungary. IWF, that is in Budapest, Hungary. MD and CEO of credit rating agency CARE. So CARE is headquartered in Mumbai and MD and CEO is now Ajay Mahajan of CARE. Find the Indian cricket player who has appointed as brand ambassador for Dubai-based cricket coaching academy Crick Kingdom. So Crick Kingdom ambassador is now Rohit Sharma. Vineet Arora appointed as MD and CEO of which insurance company? So Vineet Arora is now Paytm General Insurance. Paytm General Insurance. Brand ambassador of World Wildlife Fund. So it is now chess player Vishwanath Anand. So Mr. Vishwanath Anand, World Wildlife Fund. Parveen Kumar Parwal. So he is the CMD of BSNL, has taken over additional charge as CMD of MTNL. Just remember this, and MTNL is headquartered in New Delhi. So PK Parwar also MTNL. Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. So it is Dipankar Datta. So there are other High Court also. Dipankar Datta is of Bombay High Court, Vishwanath Somadar is of Meghalaya, and Mohammad Rafiq is of Odisha. Just remember Dipankar Datta Bombay, Vishwanath is of Meghalaya, Mohammad Rafiq is of Odisha. Name the person who has been reappointed as MD and CEO of City Union Bank. So it is N. Kama Kodi. N. Kama Kodi. And where is the headquarter of City Union Bank? Kindly write down in comments if you know. Noel Quinn appointed as CEO of which bank? So it is HSBC Bank. Noel Quinn, CEO of HSBC Bank. Indian badminton player named as ambassador of Badminton World Federation. I am badminton campaign. So it is PV Sindhu. Badminton World Federation. And where is the headquarter of Badminton World Federation? Write down in comments. Who among the following has been appointed as president of IMA? So it is Rakesh Sharma, International Motorcycle Manufacturing Association. Name the person appointed as Central Vigilance Commissioner. So it is important. Central Vigilance Commissioner is now Sanjay Kothari. RBI has extended term of Madam Menon as chairman of Catholic Syrian Bank. So Catholic Syrian Bank is headquartered where? So just remember this, Catholic Syrian Bank is headquartered in Thrissur, Kerala. Former Finance Secretary who has been appointed as chairman of Public Enterprises Selection Board PESB. So he is Rajiv Kumar, chairman of Public Enterprise Selection Board Rajiv Kumar. Suresh N. Patel appointed as Vigilance Commissioner in Central Vigilance Commission. He is the former chief of which bank? So he is the former chief of Andhra Bank. He has been appointed as Vigilance Commissioner. And don't confuse it with newly appointed Central Vigilance Commissioner. He is Sanjay Kothari. Neeraj Vyas, MD and CEO of PNB Housing Finance. So where is the headquarter? It is in just New Delhi. J. Arun Kumar from Karnataka appointed as head coach of which national men cricket team? So he is now the coach of USA, that is United States of America cricket team. J. Arun Kumar from Karnataka. Just remember this. Now word and recognition. How many locomotive was made by Chitranjan Locomotive Works of Indian Railways in fiscal year 20 to create world record? It's important one. So 431 locomotive made by Chitranjan Locomotive Works. So Chitranjan Locomotive Works is headquartered where? In Asansol, West Bengal. Just remember this, that Chitranjan Asansol is headquartered in West Bengal. Name the Indian NGO which has won Skoll Award for Social Entrepreneurship. So it is Arman. Arman NGO Skoll Award for Social Entrepreneurship. Name the person conferred with Hero to Animal Award by PETA. So it is Naveen Patnaik, that is CM of Odisha, Hero to Animal Award. Name the first English player to be named as Wisden leading male cricketer of world. So it is Ben Stokes, very good player of England. Wisden cricketer award Ben Stokes, and also Elisa Perry of Australia in female category. So Wisden Cricket Award, Ben Stokes of England in male and Elisa Perry of Australia in female. What is the rank of Mukesh Ambani according to billionaire list by Forbes? So Mukesh Ambani is on 17th rank and Jeff Bezos of Amazon is on top. Next is not important. Businessman Rajesh Chaplot has won highest civilian award of which country? So it is of Uganda. So just remember, businessman Rajesh Chaplot has won highest civilian award of Uganda. And what is the capital of Uganda? So it is Kampala. Writer Abdul Wahab, I don't know how to pronounce. Writer Abdul Wahab and SOE has won international prize for Arabic fiction. Don't know how to pronounce. International prize for Arabic fiction for his novel The Spartan Court. He belongs to which country? So he belongs to Algeria. Writer Abdul Wahab SOE. International Prize for Arabic Fiction. For his novel Spartan Court, he belongs to Algeria. Name the company which has won Edison Award for its campaign Club Energy has switch off to switch on. So it is Tata Power. Tata Power has won Edison Award. Name the person who has won William E. Colby Award for his book titled Midnight in Chernobyl, The Untold Story of World's Greatest Nuclear Disaster. So it is Adam Higginbotham. Adam Higginbotham, and you must remember his book name Midnight in Chernobyl, The Untold Story of World's Greatest Nuclear Disaster. In next, they are asking that who is present Panchayat Raj Minister. So it is Naren Singh Tomar. In this constituency is Morena MP. Who among the following is part of Texer Publishing Limited, the medicine maker power list for 2020? So it is Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Now summit events and conference. First one is not important. India has participated SAARC Health Minister Conference. Name the countries which hosted the conference. So SAARC Health Minister Conference was held by and hosted by Pakistan. Just remember this. External Affairs Minister Jaisankar has attended BRICS Foreign Minister Meet. So करंट चेयर ब्रिक्स की किसके पास है? सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस, करंट चेयर ब्रिक्स की 2020 में रसिया के पास है, जैसे G20 की सऊदी अरेबिया के पास है. ब्रिक्स ब्राज़ील, रसिया, इंडिया, चाइना एंड साउथ अफ्रीका. जस्ट रिमेंबर. नाउ कमेटी एंड मीटिंग. द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हैज़ फॉर्म 10 member group for to fight coronavirus crisis. So who is the chairman of the group? So just remember, 10-member group to fight coronavirus crisis is headed by Amitabh Kant, who is the CEO of Niti Aayog. In next, they are just asking Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, so is Dharmendra Pradhan, and G20 you already know, it's of Saudi Arabia. Name the person who had seven-member committee formed by HRD Ministry that look over after the examination and academic calendar of students that affected due to COVID-19. So it's important. So it's committee by UGC, that is University Grant Commission. So it is RC Kuwat committee to look after examination and calendar of students. RC Kuwat committee. Name the person who had 25-member Development Council constituted by DPIIT under Commerce and Industry Ministry for pulp, paper and allied industry. It's not important, it's just remember AS Mehta Committee, and DPIIT works under Commerce and Industry Ministry. Just remember this. Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade works under Commerce Ministry. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has attended G20 Finance Minister and Central Bank Governors Conference. So, what is the 2020 presidency theme of G20? So, realizing opportunities of 21 centuries for all, and G20 is held by Saudi Arabia, and just remember theme realizing opportunities of 21 centuries for all. And in next question they are asking that how many members are there in IMF, so it is 189, and how many are there in WHO, I think it's 184. And next question they are asking headquarter of IMF, so it is Washington DC. 44th session of UNESCO, that is headquartered in Paris, France. So just remember that UNESCO is headquartered in Paris, France. World Heritage Committee was scheduled at Fuzhou is postponed. So वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज कमेटी 2020 की मीटिंग फुजाऊ चाइना में होने वाली थी, एंड कौन से कंट्री में है, सो इट इज़ इन चाइना. G20 health minister meeting about COVID was conducted. So they are asking just health and family welfare minister, so it is Harshvardhan, Mr. Harshvardhan. Who is the head of empowered committee formed by government to look into supply chain and logistic management items such as food and medicine. So it is P-Ear committee to look into supply chain and logistic management. Name the person who is head of empowered committee formed by government for purpose of public grievances to look into any problem concerning lockdown. So it is Amit Khare. Amit Khare committee for purpose of public grievances during lockdown. Next is headquarter of NDB they are asking. It is in Shanghai, China. New Development Bank. Narendra Singh Tomar has attended G20 Extraordinary Agriculture Minister meeting through video conference. Name the country which is permanent guest invitee of G20 nation. So it is Spain. So you just remember that it is Spain is the permanent guest invitee to G20 meetings, and G20 is held by Saudi Arabia. Central government appointed a committee, suggested a complete restructure of how states collect and compile data for state level gross domestic product and other estimate. Name the person who heads the committee. So it is Ravindra H. Dholakia. So it is Ravindra H. Dholakia committee which suggested complete restructure of how states collect and compile data for state level GDP. Just remember this. Ministry of Shipping has given its consent for reconstitution of 16-member National Shipping Board. Name the person who heads National Shipping Board. So it is Malini Shankar. Malini Shankar heads National Shipping Board. Just remember this. So this was the part second, and in part third we will cover the remaining part of April. So thanks for watching, and please share it with everyone. Thanks a lot.